Hi beautiful people! Today I'm going to be showing you what to eat plant-based raw food diets. Enjoy watching! The bottom line is it must be delicious, it must be enjoyable. You can eat raw grains like oats, brown rice or barley etc. normally by soaking and sprouting them first. I found brown rice is the most nutritious and I love it. I soak it in the water overnight. It's kind of soft and as you chew it, sweet and nutty. I actually enjoy it. Adding grains in the raw food diet is essential. 80 to 100 grams for a meal, anything you like, but please always include the spinach. Spinach is a superfood because of its high source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that protect your body from a wide range of disease. I love cucumber, tomatoes, and capsicums. You can also add carrots and beetroots, but I always drink them as a fresh juice in the morning, so I skip them. Oh, don't forget avocados. They are super yummy, creamy, and so satisfying. Love it, love it, love it. And beautiful capsicums. Anything you like, different colors, seasonal fruits. I love blueberries, raspberries. I found beautiful plums in the kitchen. Hello. Also pears. Hello, you too. Look at these beautiful figs. Figs are in season here in Australia. Oh, amazing. I'm getting so excited. Anything you like. Sunflower seeds, walnuts, almonds are my favorites. My collagen beauty balls. Have you watched my last video yet? You will learn how to make them. They are super delicious and very healthy. I normally enjoy them as an afternoon snack with the dates. Gim is an edible sea vegetable which is known to be abundant in protein and other nutrients. It is also known to have a high contents of mineral salts and essential amino acids. I love the crispy texture and it is super yummy. You can possibly purchase them from Korean grocery shop. In my next video, I will show you how to prepare and give you some tips for plant-based raw food diet. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.